Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview Tab 16 Pro and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll and find sound and vibration. Now we have to scroll down to localize this ringtone section, and as you can see, both options at the top are connected with the ringtone. So let's start, for example, with the first SIM card, because as you can see, the ringtones are divided between the SIM cards. So let me tap on it, and after that we'll be transferred to this list of available ringtones from which we can choose. At the top we've got the option none, which means that your device will not use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call. And on the other hand, at the very bottom of the list, you've got the option add ringtone, which will allow you to set the ringtone you've got, for example, downloaded from the internet. So in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to tap on it, and our device is muted, so let me unmute it. Okay, so basically this is how it works. Just tap on the option and listen whether you like it or not. And now let's pretend I want this option to be applied, so make sure that it is marked and tap on OK. And as you can see, it is notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.